In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find Facebook account by phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then go to menu. Tap at that gear to move on to the settings and privacy, and then tap right here to head over to Meta Account Center. After that, tap Add your information and permissions, and then select Upload Contacts. Then tap Add your Facebook account, and then you will be taken to this page, where you need to turn on the option which is called Upload Contacts. Just tap right here, then tap at Continue. What that will do, that will sync your contacts book with Facebook, and that will allow you to find your friends using their phone numbers from a contact book. As you can see, now it shows me people you may know. So from here, that list is based on our contacts book, and then we can scroll down in here until we find a users we would like to add as our friends. However, if we tap Add Done, we can go to Facebook main page and then tap Add Friends. As you can see, it is showing me people you may know right here at the Friends tab. So in that simple way, we can also send friend requests from here, and also we can open up any user's profile from suggested. Also, we can add them as a friend right from here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.